check whether minus 150 is term in this series. Means what? 11852 is a series asking. So now if you see in this series 150 minus 150, will it be a part or not? Means somewhere will it come? Somewhere in the series will minus 150 come or not is a question asked.
Okay.
So an is equal to minus 150. We have to equate the 10th term to minus 150 as.
Okay.
And we have to find out the n value corresponding to this one minus 150. If n value is an integer, Hasni, positive integer, then it will be part of that series. Otherwise, suppose for example, n denotes the position of the number. Like
Okay.
5th place, 6th place, 7th place, 8th place, like that, no?
Yes, sir.
8th term, 9th term, 10th term, 5th term, like that. So if suppose n, if we get 5.5 has n 5.5 means will we have decimal position? Means 5th term, 6th term directly. There is no 5.5 term, no?
No, sir.
So we have to find out the n value corresponding to minus 150 Hasni. If we get the n value positive integer, then this minus 150 is a part of the series Hasni, is a term of the series.
Okay.
So a plus n minus 1 into d is equal to minus 150. A is my 11 Hasni plus n minus 1 is n minus 1 into d is how much Hasni? A2 minus a1. 8 minus 7 minus. Okay, Hasni.
Okay.
So n minus 1 into minus 3 is equal to 11 will go that side with a minus 150 minus 161 has. Okay. This minus n I am distributing it. Minus 3n minus of minus plus. Okay.
Okay.
Minus 3 is equal to minus 161 plus 3 will go that side with a minus 3 has minus 3n is equal to minus 164. Both negative we should add it first.
Okay.
So now n is equal to, we should add and keep the minus n, then n is equal to minus 164 divided by minus 3. Minus will get cut Hasni. We can see if you do the 164 by 3 Hasni, we will get it as mixed fraction. We force the 12 into. So 54 point something you will get Hasni. We continue the division.
Okay.
54.6 something like that. But Hasni, can the n value be a decimal?
No, sir.
Because if it is a decimal, the meaning of that is 54th term, 55th term, in between 54.6th term, like that, it will not be there. Directly 54th term, then 55th term, like that only will be their numbers.
Yes, sir.
So we don't have any, n cannot be a negative value or a decimal or a fraction.
Okay.
Okay. So here, since we should write finally minus 150 minus 150, where is that asking? Minus 150 is not a term in the series as n is a decimal, but n cannot be a negative integer or a decimal or a fraction.
Okay, sir.
So simply to tell Hasni, n cannot be a negative integer or a decimal or a fraction means n should always be a positive integer. That is the meaning.
Okay.
So here 54.66 something came for n. So minus 150 will not be there in that series because we got a decimal value for that n, for itself. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So shall we go to the next one, Hasni?
Okay, sir.
Okay, Hasni. So Hasni, 7th question, once you read the question.
Find the 31st term of AC, whose 11th term is 38 and 16th term is 76.
Yes, Hasni. So Hasni, 31st term we want. Means A31 is equal to question mark. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Then 11th term is 38. 11th term means what, Hasni? A11. A11 is 38 means A11 means A plus
10D.
10D is 38.
Okay, sir.
Then one more is given. A16. A16 is 73 Hasni. A16 means A plus 15D is equal to 70. Directly I'm writing Hasni because on the day actually we learned it. A plus 15D, how I wrote, you know it Hasni.
Yes,
Because A plus n minus 1 into D in that n is 16. If we keep it, we'll get this one. Because every
okay.
time we will not write the formula now. From now, yes or
Yes,
no?
sir.
A is equal to
Yes,
A plus n minus 1 into D. In that A16 means n is 15, 16 has, then we'll get 15D like that. Suppose if you're writing for 20th term, you'll get A plus 19. 17th term, you'll get A plus 16D like that.
okay.
Okay. So now we have two equations asking A plus 10D is 38 and A plus 15D is 73. We can find out the A and D using these equations. Okay, Hasni?
Okay, sir.
So minus I'm doing, same signs will change, Hasni. A will become minus A, 15D will become minus 15D, 73 will become minus. So 10D minus 15D, Hasni, minus 5D.
Okay.
Okay, 38 minus 73. Minus 35.
Okay, sir.
So D is equal to minus 35 by 5, Hasni. D is equal to minus 7. Any doubt, Hasni?
No, sir.
Okay. Now, Hasni, I am keeping D is equal to minus 7 in, sorry, minus 7, Hasni, both minus will get cut.
Yeah.
Plus 7.
Yes, sir. I will complete it. Yes, sir.
So, no, Hasni.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, I am keeping 7 as in the any of the two equations. A plus 15D is equal to 73 or A plus 10D is equal to 38. We have equations. A plus 10D is equal to 38. I am keeping the D value in that.
Okay.
Okay. Any doubt, Hasni?
No, sir.
A plus 70 is equal to 38. A is equal to 30 minus 7. 38 minus 7.
Okay.
So A is equal to 40 minus 32. Okay.
Okay.
Any doubt, Hasni?
Okay, sir. No, sir.
Any doubt, Hasni?
No, sir.
Okay, Hasni. Now, finally, what we should find out, Hasni? A31.
A31.
A31 means it's nothing but A plus 30 D. Okay, Hasni?
Okay, sir.
Because AN is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D, in the 10 is 30, we are right.
Yes, sir.
So A is minus 32 Hasni plus 30 into D is 7.
Okay.
So minus 32 plus 210.
Okay, sir.
Minus 32 plus 210 Hasni, it will become how much? 178 Hasni.
130. Yes, sir.
This is the answer. Just for confirmation, Hasni, also check the back answer. So 8th one, Hasni, once you read the question, Hasni.
An AP consists of 50 terms, of which third term is 12, and the last term is 106. Find the 29th term.
Yes, Hasni. So Hasni, they said that 50 terms of their AP consists of 50 terms, means for total 50th term is the last, no?
Yes, sir.
So now Hasni, third term is 12, means what? A3. A3 is 12. A3 is 12, Hasni. Means A3 means A plus 2D.
Yes, sir.
A plus 2D is 12.
Yes.
Now Hasni, what else is given? Last term is 106. Last term is, which term is this 106? Can you tell Hasni now? Just now before I was telling.
So could you repeat the question?
They said last term is 106, Hasni. Last term is, which term is 106, Hasni? As per the question.
106 term.
Hasni? Which term, Hasni?
So the 106 only. Sir.
I cannot hear you, Hasni.
Sir, it's 106 only, right, sir?
Yes, Hasni. 106 is the last term. Last term is 106. Means which term is that 106? According to the question. They said here AP, I was telling in the starting of the question, Hasni.
50th term is 106.
Yes, Hasni, because I said indirectly 50th, they didn't say that 50th term is 106. We should only understand.
Okay.
Because they said indirectly consists of 50 terms. It consists of 50 terms means what, meaning the 50th term is only the last term.
Okay. Sir.
So here in the next part of the statement, they said last term is 106. Means what, A50 is 106, we should understand.
Okay.
So A50 means A plus 49D. So A plus 49D is 106 and A plus 2D is 12 half.
Yes.
So we'll subtract. So signs will change. AA will get that Hasni. 49 minus 2, 47D. And 106 minus 12 is 94. Okay.
Okay. Sir.
So D is equal to 94 by 47 Hasni, which is 147 will go one time, two times. So D is 2.
Okay.
Now finally Hasni, find the D we got, A we can A we can find out by keeping it in any of these two equations.
Okay.
So A plus 2D is equal to 12. I am keeping in that Hasni. A plus 2D is equal to 12. A plus 2 into D. D is 2 Hasni. And I just substituted this in this equation. Hasni.
Okay. Sir.
So A plus 4 is equal to 12. A is equal to 12 minus 4. 8.
Oh.
Then finally A plus 49D is equal to 106 Hasni.
Okay.
A plus 49D is equal to 106. So A is 8 Hasni plus 49D is equal to 106.
Okay.
Oh, I am keeping this second. D already we have got it.
Yes.
Actually, I'm trying to find out. D already we got. Okay, Hasni. Now, finally, what we should do, Hasni, find the 29th term of the series.
Okay.
So, A29 is equal to A plus 28.
8D.
Okay,
8
Hasni.
into 6. So 28D, which is equal to 28 into 2.
Hasni.
Sir, 28D, which is equal to 28 into 2, sir. 8 plus 8.
Hasni, if you don't mind, once can you tell again?
Sir, I was saying A29 is equal to 8 plus 28 into 2, sir.
Yes, Hasni, A plus 28D. That only you're telling Hasni?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Asmi. Because A29, how we will get it is because they're asking us to find the 29th term.
Okay, sir.
So A29 is A plus 28D. How we will get is just we'll keep 29 in that AN formula. AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 equal.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Then we'll get A plus 28D. That is how we wrote A3 means A plus 2D. A50 means A plus 49. Right.
Yes, sir.
Now 8 plus 28 into 256 Asmi. 8 plus 56 how much Asmi?
Yes,
64.
okay.
Any doubt Asmi?
So once could you tell me about 829 is equals to 54?
Asmi?
So once could you tell me how 829 is equals to 24? 64, I mean.
A plus 28D.
Okay.
We just used it for A3. How we wrote A plus 2D Hasni here? We wrote A3 as A plus 2D, no, in the starting.
Yes, sir.
And A50 at A50 as A plus 49, you know.
Yes, sir.
How Hasni?
You are using the formula 8 plus n minus 1d.
In the place of N, 3 we kept, so 2D we got.
Yeah.
In
Yes,
the place of N50 we kept, then A plus 49 we got.
okay.
Like that, A29 they're asking us. Find the 29th term, means what A29. So for that, in the place of N is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D, in the place of N, we are writing 29.
Oh, okay.
So A plus 29 minus 1 is 28. So A29 is nothing but A plus 28. Here also we wrote like that only has. A3 means A plus 2D, but that is already given as 12, so we equated it to 12. Here A50 is already given as 106, so we equated it to 1. Like that.
Okay.
Any doubt, Hasni?
No, sir.
Okay, Hasni. So now, Hasni, what I am doing is, still you have any doubt how I wrote 829 as A plus 28, Hasni?
No, sir.
Now we, after writing like that, we just found out the A and D values. So we kept it in.
Okay.
So A is 8, 28 into 2 is 56. 8 plus 56.
64.
How much Hasni?
64, sir.
Yes, Hasni. Like that.
Oh, oh, okay.
Just for confirmation, also check the back answer Hasni.
Okay. Yes, sir. It is 64.
Okay, Hasni. We are going to the 9th one, Hasni. Shall I delete? I deleted it, Hasni.
Okay, sir. I wrote it already.
Yes, Hasni. Also read the 9th question, Hasni.
If the third and the ninth term of an AP are 4 and minus 8 respectively, which terms of these AP is 0?
Yes, Hasni. Which term of AP is 0 means again we have to equate A n is equal to 0, Hasni.
Okay.
Somewhere means which position 0 will come, which term 0 will come. That is the meaning.
Okay.
So for that, we first with the starting statement, Hasni, using third term and ninth term, we can find out A and D values.
Okay.
Okay, Hasni.
Okay, sir.
So now ninth question, Hasni, third term and ninth term are 4 and minus 8 respectively.
Okay.
A3 is equal to 4. A9 is equal to minus 8. A3 means Hasni A plus 2D, no?
Yes, sir.
A9 means A plus 8D, no?
Yes, sir.
So now Hasni, what I'm doing is, same like before question, we'll solve these two equations, we'll get A and D values.
Okay, sir.
in all these questions, Hasni, we are finding out A and D. They didn't mention clearly to find A and D, Hasni. We should only understand, because if you know A and D, then only you can find out the 29th term in previous question, or now in which term is 0 means we will be knowing only if you know A and D.
Okay, sir.
So we should get the idea of solving these equations automatically. A plus 2D is 4 and A plus 8D is, you can solve this minus that or that minus this, anything you can do.
Okay.
So minus, minus of minus plus.
Okay.
So this will get cut. 2D minus 8D. How much was it?
Minus 50.
Yes, Hasni. And 4 minus will become plus, Hasni, because minus side became plus side. You have to take the plus side further. Okay. This side, bottom side, we have to see the further numbers.
Okay.
4 plus side, how much, Hasni?
4 plus 8, 12.
Yes, Hasni. D is equal to now 12 by minus 6. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
So plus by minus result is negative, Hasni. 12 by 6 is minus 2.
Minus
12 by minus 6, because positive by negative result is negative. See, 12 by 6 is 2.
Okay.
Yes, Hasni. Now I am keeping the D value in any one of these two equations, Hasni. Which is smaller, in that if we keep, it will be easy for us. So I'm keeping it in A plus 2D is equal to 4.
Okay.
A plus 2 into minus 2 is equal to 4. A minus 4 is equal to 4. A is equal to 4 plus 4, 8. Okay, Hasni?
Okay, sir.
Any doubt, Hasni?
No, sir.
So I got A and D values, Hasni. Now what they are telling us to check the find which term of the AP is 0. Means in this series A and 0, where it will come is a question, Hasni. Okay. We
Okay.
are finding the position of the 0, means n value of 0.
Okay, sir.
Already this type of ones we covered in 4th question. Which term of AP is 78 means you have to equate A into 78 and you have to find out its n value.
Okay, sir.
So A plus n minus 1 into D is equal to 0. Now A value is 8 Hasni, plus n minus 1 into D is minus 2 is equal to 0. So 8 will go that side, Hasni. 0 minus 8 will become n minus 1 into minus 2 is equal to 0 minus 8 minus 8 Hasni. Then distribution I am doing, Hasni. Minus 2 is multiplied with n minus 1. It will become minus 2n. Minus 2 into minus 1 is plus 2 Hasni. Is equal to minus 8. Minus 12 is equal to minus 8. 2 will go that side. Minus 8 minus 2 is minus 10 Hasni. So n is equal to minus 10 by minus 2. So minus minus will get cut, Hasni. N is equal to 5. 2 1s are 2 2s are. Sorry, 2 5 1. Okay, Hasni.
Okay, sir.
Any doubt, Hasni?
No, sir.
So 5th term in this series is 0, Hasni. That is the minimum.
Okay, sir.
N value is 5, means 5th term of that particular is 0. Shall we go to the next one, Hasni? Shall I delete it?
Yes, sir. You can delete it. You can go to next.
Okay, so let's read the 10th question, Hasni.
Yes, the 17th term of AP exceeds its 10th term by 7. Find the common difference.
Yes, Hasni. The meaning of this is, Hasni, exceeds meaning is, Hasni, more than that, like that. For example, Hasni's marks exceeds her friend's marks by 10. Meaning of that is, Hasni, when compared with your friend, you got 10 marks more. Or if you do the difference of your marks and your friend marks, you will get 10 marks.
Yes, sir.
Exceed is, it is more than that.
Oh, okay, sir.
So here 17th term exceeds its 10th term by 7. Means what? 17th term is equal to 7 plus 10th term. Like this you can understand. Or if A10 will come left side as A17 minus A10 is equal to 0. In two ways you can, whichever is comfortable for you, that way you can understand this. It's like this Hasni. 100 exceeds, if I give you one more example, 100 exceeds 80. 100 exceeds 80 by how much Hasni?
By 20.
That how we got Hasni? 100 minus 80, if you do only you got.
Yes, sir.
So 100 exceeds 80 by 20, meaning is 100 minus 80 is equal to 20 you can write, or 100 is equal to 20 plus 80 also you can. 100 exceeds 80 by 20 means 100 is equal to 20 plus 80 also you can write Hasni, or 100 minus 80 is equal to 20 also you can.
Okay, sir.
As per the statement means 100 minus 80 is equal to 20. So here 17th term is there in the place of 100 Hasni.
Okay.
And 10th term is there in the place of that 80 which I gave example. So 100 minus 80. So A17 minus A10 by 7. The difference 7.
Okay, sir.
Any doubt Hasni?
No, sir.
So from we can write either of these ways Hasni. I brought 8 and left side.
Okay, sir.
This will go right side 7 plus 8. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Now Hasni, we will just write the A17. A17 means how much Hasni? A17 means A plus 16D, no?
Yes, sir.
Minus bracket open. A10 means how much Hasni? A plus 9D, no?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt Hasni?
No, sir.
So my minus, why we should open bracket here? Because this minus is for entire A10. A10 means it's a binomial. That's
Okay.
okay. Yes, Hasni. Now I'm opening the brackets, Hasni. A plus 16D minus, if you open it Hasni, minus A minus 9D is equal to
7.
7. So A minus A will get that Hasni. 16D minus 9D. How much Hasni?
7, sir.
7D. 7D is equal to 7. D is equal to 7 by 7. D is equal to 1 Hasni.
Yes, sir.
So I think they asked the common difference. So maybe asking the question.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. They only ask combination.
Find the common difference. So we automatically got D only after solving this equation.
Okay, sir.
11. Shall we go to the 11th one? Hasni?
Okay, sir.
This will read the question. Hasni, 11th one.
'Which terms
10th and 11th are indirectly same, Hasni. Actually, here 132 more than its which term of AP is 1? Yes, Hasni, you can read it as
Okay, sir. Which term of the AP 3, 15, 27, 39 will be 132 more than its 54th term?
So which term of AP means, let us, we don't know that. So A and B are taken. Some term will be 134 more than 132. 132. Some term in the AP is 132 more than, means 132 plus 54th term is A50. This is the equation. Some term is there in this AP which is 132 more than 54th term itself.
Okay, sir.
Okay, Hasni?
Okay, sir.
Any doubt, Hasni?
No, sir.
So now in the given series, Hasni, from the first I'm writing here AN as A plus N minus 1 into B is equal to 132 plus A54 as A plus 53D.
Okay.
Now, Hasni, from the given series here, if you see A and A, we keep the values, Hasni. In the given series already we have A and D values. The series is what?
Yes.
3, 15, 27, so on, no?
Yes, sir.
A is how much, Hasni?
8, 3, sir.
3, no?
Yes, sir.
N minus 1 into D is 15 minus 3. 12. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Is equal to 132 plus. Again, A is 3, Hasni. 53 into D.
Okay.
D is how much again, Hasni?
12,
12.
sir.
A2 minus A1. 15 minus. Now, Hasni, this 3 plus, you can cut this 3 and 3, Hasni, if you want here. Why can you tell? This 3 and this 3, you can cut it because, Hasni,
Sir, if it goes the another way, it will
3
be
minus 3 is 0.
yes, sir.
That is the meaning. Otherwise, if you want, you can add them and then also later you can subtract also, no problem.
Okay.
Here, cancellation means not division, Hasni, subtraction.
Okay, sir.
So now here I am doing distribution, Hasni. N minus 1 into 12 means it will become what? 12n minus 12.
Okay.
Okay. Is equal to 132 plus 53 into 12, Hasni.
Okay.
636. Any doubt, Hasni?
No, sir.
Okay. Now I'm bringing the terms same side. Hasni, 12n is equal to 636 plus 132 plus 12. Okay.
Okay, sir.
132 plus 12 is 140, 134, 144 has. So 144 plus 636 will become 780. Okay, Hasni?
Okay, sir.
Need out, Hasni?
No, sir.
Okay, Hasni. Now n is equal to, Hasni, 780 by 12.
Mhm.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
So n is equal to 12, 6 is 72, Hasni. 6 will be there, 60, square by 60. N is equal to
65.
65. Means what, Hasni? They asked which term of AP is 132 more than 54th term. Means as per the equation only we got n as 65. Means 65th term answer.
Yes, sir.
65th A65 will be there now, Hasni. A65 if you find out, Hasni, that answer will be clearly 132 more than 54th term. Hasni.
Okay.
That is the meaning of the question.
Oh, okay.
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 Means if you find A65 using A plus 64D, that answer one number will get. That will be exactly 132 more than A54th term. A54 whatever you get again, A54 means A plus 53D. That value plus 132 if you add it, you will get A65. That is the meaning of the question. Okay, Hasni?
Okay, sir.
So which term of AP is 132 more than 54th term is 65 this exact the 65th term has.
Okay.
Shall I delete it, Hasni?
Yes, sir.
So speak 12th one. And so leave the question, Hasni, 12th one.
Two APs have the same common difference. The difference between the 100 term is 100. What is the
So
difference between the 1000?
yes, Hasni. Two APs means two different APs, Hasni.
Okay.
Okay. Two series are there. So one AP and another AP is there. They have the same common differences.
Okay.
So let us take AP1 and AP2 has two series.
Okay.
So the difference between their 100 terms is 100. Means what? Let us keep a capital A 100 for the first 100th term in the AP1 has first series.
Okay, sir.
And small a 100 in the second series. Means 100 terms, because same if you use will same thing, same letter if you use will confuse us.
Okay, sir.
Capital A 100 is what has the 100th term in the first series.
Okay.
Small a 100 is the 100th term in the second series.
Okay, sir.
So capital A 100, how to write Hasni? Capital A plus 99 into D.
Okay.
Small a 100 is small a plus 99 into, you may get it out. I am using the same D for both of them. Hasni.
Okay, sir.
99 D. Why Hasni I am using the same D? Because it said in the series, in the question, two APs have the same common difference.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Hasni.
Okay, sir.
So small a 100 and I am writing small a plus 99, small d only I am writing.
Okay.
Means for both, what you can see in the first capital A 100, when I wrote Hasni, I wrote capital A. Means first term in the first series is capital A. We used first term different clearly.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Hasni, but common difference I used same.
Okay, sir.
This series is different, that series is different. That's why here first term I wrote different in both of them. And this is 100 term. But D I wrote because formula is same, no, A plus N minus 1 into D.
Yes, sir.
N is 100 only, so 99 only came in both of them. D came same
Okay.
because it said it's first term is not same, they didn't give, so we use different. Okay, Asmi?
Okay, sir.
Now what did they say? We wrote clearly 100th term in both the series, Asmi. They said the difference between their 100th terms is 100 Asmi.
Okay.
Means what? A 100 minus small a 100.
Oh, okay, sir.
100. This is what given. They only give the difference between their 100th terms is 100.
Okay.
So now Hasni, what I am doing is A 100 means A plus 99 D. We already wrote it. Minus small a plus 99 D is equal to 100. I am just substituting it, Hasni.
Okay.
Any doubt, Hasni?
No, sir.
Now we'll open the brackets, Hasni. A plus 99 D minus, we open the bracket minus A minus 99 D is equal to 100. No,
Okay.
99 D will get cut, Hasni.
Okay, sir.
So we got this equation as A minus small a is equal to 100. We'll keep this aside first.
Okay.
Now, what did they finally ask Hasni? What is the difference between their 1000th terms?
Oh, okay.
Now, same way like this, Hasni, we'll write an equation. Difference between 1000 terms is A 1000 minus small a 1000. They're asking us.
Okay, sir.
A 1000 is the 1000th term in the first series. Small a 1000 is the 1000th term in the second series.
Okay, sir.
So it will become 8000 means capital A plus 999 D
Okay.
minus small a plus 999 d. Okay, Hasni?
Okay.
8,000 means what? 1000th term is capital A plus 999 d means it's the first in the first series 1000th term. A plus 999.
Okay.
Small a plus 999 d means 1000th term in the second series.
Okay.
Those two difference only they're asking. What is the difference of their 1000th terms?
Okay.
Now, Hasni, I'll just open the brackets. We'll get A plus 999D minus, if you distribute it, Hasni, minus A minus 999D. Hasni.
Okay.
So this will get cut again. So we are left with capital A minus small a, Hasni. But already capital A minus small a is how much, Hasni? We got it before.
Capital A minus small a is 100, sir.
Yes, Hasni. So over. Answer.
Okay.
So means the difference between the 1000 terms is also 100 only. That is the mean.
Okay, sir.
Shall you go to the next one, Hasni?
Okay, sir.
Yes, Hasni. Once you read the 13th question, Hasni.
How many 3-digit numbers are divisible by 7?
Yes, Hasni. So for this, Hasni, how many 3-digit numbers are divisible by 7 means indirectly they are asking the how many multiples of 7. Like the first for that first series in the series, Hasni, there will be so many 3-digit numbers which are divisible by 7. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So what is the starting number we need to find first? So what is the first 3-digit number, Hasni, normally in our maths?
So what is
The first 3-digit number.
the first 3-digit number is 100, sir.
Yes, Hasni. So 100 will divide with 7, Hasni. If it is divisible by 7, that is only the first number in the series.
Okay.
So Hasni, divisible by 7 exactly means we should not get the remainder, Hasni, but we got the remainder. No?
Yes, sir.
So remainder we got means it is not divisible by 7, Hasni. So then how to do it is after that 100, then 105 you will get, Hasni.
Okay, sir.
Okay. 105 you will get, I think, first number which is divisible by easy way is asking whenever you got you need to find out the number after 100 means this minus this you have to do first. 7 minus 2 is how much, asking?
7?
Minus 2.
7 minus 2, 5, sir.
5 we have to add it to 105.
Okay.
So if you want to find out any number divisible by something after after this like after this means as per that division after this number which is the next number exactly divisible by 7 means you want to find out means this is the procedure.
Okay.
Okay. Otherwise means suppose if you don't want to remember this means we have to check 101, 102, 103, 104 like that Hasni until the first number which is exact. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So Hasni, if you want you can check now 105 if you divide with 7 it will exactly. Okay. Hasni.
Okay.
Exactly divisible means remainder is 0. Hasni.
Okay.
Okay. So now what I am doing is actually series I am writing. They are asking how many 3-digit numbers are divisible by 7. We thought there are so many numbers. First number is 105. Now next number will be nothing but has to, since it is 7 table, 7 divisible numbers means we have to add 7 on.
Yes.
So 105 7, 112. If you any number between those will not be divisible by 7. Okay, Hasni?
Okay.
So because of that, Hasni, now next 119 like that. So our last number is required. So what is the last 3-digit number, Hasni?
Last 3-digit number is 999.
Yes, Hasni. We will divide that and we'll check, Hasni, if it will go or not. Hasni. So
Okay, sir.
we got remainder 5. Means will it go, Hasni?
No,
Is it
sir.
divisible?
No, sir.
So Hasni, now the procedure is like this. If you want to know the before number, which is divisible, like the before number of 999 divisible by 7 means whatever remainder you got, no, that simply we need to subtract it from that. 999 minus 5 has. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So 994. Okay, Hasni.
Okay.
If you want
Okay.
after number means you have to do 7 minus 5. 2 you should add it to 999.
Okay.
Okay. Before number means simply whatever remainder you got that you have to subtract.
Oh, okay.
Suppose Hasni, if you didn't remember this, if you forgot this means what you have to do in the brain only, or you have to check those numbers 996 like that. You have to check up to 994 will get. Okay.
Okay, sir.
If you forget it, suppose because we cannot take 999. No? We
Yes,
have
sir.
to take only the numbers divisible by 7. Okay,
Okay, sir.
Hasni. So for this is a question where series is not given, Hasni. We should only write the series and we should do the sum.
Okay, sir.
So any doubt in the series, Hasni, how I wrote that?
No, sir.
Okay, Hasni. Now, Hasni, they're asking like this: how many numbers are there in this series? This is a question indirectly. Okay, Hasni. So now what we should do is, Hasni, simply this is only the hint for us. That 994 is only the hint for us. If we can find out 994 is there in which position, that is n value corresponding to 994 has. Okay, automatically suppose 994 is 50th term has been attached. Since 994 is the last term, automatically we can tell that there are 50 numbers in this series. Yes or no, Hasni?
Yes, sir.
So now that using 994 only, we are finding out how many numbers are there, how many 3-digit numbers are there in this class.
Okay, sir.
Because we cannot write 119 again plus 7, 126 like that all till 994. We cannot write all of them and cannot count lastly. So that is the advantage of this AN formula.
Okay, sir.
So now we are equating S Hasni. That last term, whatever is there, 994, we are equating it to AN Hasni, and we are finding out the n value of that. AN means A plus n minus 1 into A is equal to 994. So 105 plus n minus 1 into D is how much, Hasni?
995.
Okay. Hasni. So now Hasni, n minus 1 into 7 is equal to 994 minus 100. Okay, Hasni.
Okay, sir.
Any doubt, Hasni?
No, sir.
Now Hasni, n minus 1 into 7, I am doing distribution, Hasni, 7n minus 7. Okay, Hasni.
Okay, sir.
So 994 minus 105 is Hasni. Fourteen minus 5, 9 Hasni, 8, 889. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Now minus 7 will go that side, Hasni, it will become plus 7. 889 plus 7. 7n is equal to 896 Hasni. 889 plus 7. N is equal to 896 divided by 7. Okay, Hasni.
Okay.
Now I am just finding out the n value, Hasni. N is equal to, it will go 7 1s are 7, Hasni. 1 will be left 19, 7 2s are 14, 56. 128, Hasni.
Okay. Yes, sir.
So answer indirectly means what we should understand from this question is asking 9, we equated n equal to 994 and we found out its n value, no?
Yes, sir.
So means 128, the term in this series is 994. It will also tell us indirectly that since 994 is the last term, there are 128 members in this list.
Okay, sir.
So the question is how many 3-digit numbers are divisible by 7 finally means 128 3-digit numbers.
Oh, yes, sir. Okay.
Yes, just for our confirmation, once you check the factors.
Yes, sir. That will be the answer.
Yes. So Hasni, how we wrote the series also, I think there is no doubt, no?
No, sir.
Okay, Hasni. 14th one, Hasni. How many multiples of 4 lie between 10 and 250, Hasni? This is indirectly same. Divisible by 7 meaning is, Hasni, whatever numbers we wrote in 13th question, they are multiples of 7, no?
Yes, sir.
So next question, they just changed the question way. Instead of divisible by 7, they said multiples of 4. Means these numbers are divisible by 4, Hasni.
Okay.
Okay. Understood, Hasni?
Understood, sir.
So we are writing the series, Hasni, now same between 10 and 250. So Hasni, between when the use means we should not include both 10 as well as 250, Hasni, if they are divisible by 4 also. Like if 10 in this question, Hasni, suppose here 8 and 256 is given also. If they say between, no, between 8 and 256 means multiples of 4 means 8 is actually multiple of 4, Hasni, 256 is also multiple of 4, but we should not include. Other than those, the middle ones only we should take if the question is between us. Okay.
Yes, sir.
If it is from, suppose from means Hasni, if those both of them should be included from 8 to 256. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yes, Hasni. So luckily, anyways, here whatever between 10 and 250 they gave Hasni in the question. The 10 anyways is not a multiple of 4, Hasni. Means 10 is not divisible by 4. Okay, Hasni.
Okay, sir.
250 also not divisible by 4. Anyways, we will not take both of them. If it is, they are divisible also, we should not take. If it is a between question.
Okay, sir.
Yes, Hasni, that is what I am trying to tell us. So now first number will be what, Hasni? After 10, which is exactly divisible by 4 means multiple of 4, Hasni. After 10.
Sir,
First
after
number.
10 could you
Yes,
multiple
Hasni.
of
What
4 after 10, sir?
Yes, Hasni. First number.
12.
Yes, Hasni. 12, then 12 plus 4. 16, so on like that, Hasni.
Yes, sir.
And 250. 250 should be right, Hasni. 250 should be right, Hasni.
250. Someone could repeat it. 250.
250 should be right. 250 should be right, Hasni here.
Sir, I didn't understand the question, sir.
Should we write 250 in this series last, Hasni?
Yes, sir.
Is it divisible by 4, Hasni? Is it divisible by 4, Hasni, 250?
1 second.
Okay, Hasni. So, Hasni, before I was telling some other point, if it is divisible also, it is not, we should not write 250 here.
Okay.
That is what I, why we should, Hasni?
It is not divisible by 4, sir.
Yes, Hasni. Suppose if it is divisible by 4 also here, in this particular question, we should not write 250, Hasni. Why, Hasni? I was telling another point no asked me here before.
It should be between 4 and 10. Okay?
Asni, between means if 250, suppose if it is divisible by 4 also, we should not write here.
Yes, so because it's after 10.
Yes, Asni?
Because it's after 10, sir. Right. Sir.
Because it is after?
After 10, right, sir.
No, Asni. After 10 only, but before, between 10 and 250 means we are writing all the list of numbers which are exactly divisible by 4 in between 10 and 250 has.
Okay, sir.
So in between 10 and 250 means we have so many multiples, that is 12, 16, 20 like that. Since it is 4 multiples, I am just adding 4, 12 plus 4, 16 plus 4, 20, 24 next like that. Last number what should be now? Asli? Last number simply subtract 2 from 250 Hasni, you will get it in before subdividing.
248. 248, sir.
Yes, Hasni. So if suppose 250 will go with 4 also, we should not write in this area Hasni. Can you tell the reason Hasni? Because in between only. So between means 10 and 250. If they are divisible by 4 also, we should not consider.
Okay, sir.
Yes, Hasni. So now this is the series for the question Hasni. Now same again, how many multiples means we need to find out the number of terms here Hasni. A is equal to 12, B is equal to 16 minus 12, it is 4 Hasni. So we are equating A into 248 and we are finding out the number of n value of 240.
Okay, sir.
Twelve plus n minus 1. N is we are finding out. D is 4 table now. So D will be 4 only.
Yes, sir.
So n minus 1 into 4 is equal to 248 minus 12. 4n minus 4 is equal to 248 minus 12 is 236. 4n is equal to 236 plus 4, 240. N is 60 has.
Okay.
So there are 60 multiples.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Of 4 between 10 and 250.
Okay.
Okay, Asmi. Any doubt, Asmi?
No, sir.
Okay, Asmi. So, Asmi, from this question onwards, shall we do test in our next class, Asmi?
Okay.
Yes. Yes. Bye, Asmi.
Bye.